Hello children, how are you all doing? Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I am Crystal and this week we are going to learn literacy skills. Children, do you all remember what we learned last week? Yes, shall we recall? Do you know? Okay, yes and no. Word pairs that are always together and long A sound words. Day 1. Let us recall the topic yes or no. Now, the picture here. What animal is it, children? Yes, it's a dog. Now, the sentence given, a dog has 4 legs. Now, children, is the answer yes or no? Yes, a dog has 4 legs. Children, do you see a lion? The sentence given, a lion has a trunk. Do you see a trunk on this lion? Oh no. So, is it a yes or a no? No, a lion has no trunk. Now, do you see this cute little baby down here? A baby has a smile. Is the baby smiling or crying, children? A baby has a smile? Yes, that's what cute smile. The next sentence is, a man has a fish in his hand. Children, is it a yes or a no? Yes, a man has a fish in his hand. That's one big fish he has caught. The next picture, a camel has wings. Is it a yes or no? No. Have you seen camel having wings? Oh no, children. Children, shall we recall our word pairs that are always together? Now repeat after me. Fork and spoon. Repeat after me, children. Fork and spoon. Paint and brush. Repeat after me, children. Paint and brush. Bat and ball. Do you all like playing cricket? Repeat after me. Bat and ball. Bread and butter. This is something we all love to eat. Repeat after me. Bread and butter. Yum, yum. Pencil and paper. Salt and pepper. Now repeat after me, children. Pencil and paper. Salt and pepper. Cup and saucer. Repeat after me, children. Cup and saucer. Hey friends, we are Jaden and Amira, a boy and girl. Repeat after me. Boy and girl. Lock and key. Repeat after me, children. Lock and key. Table and chair. Repeat after me, children. table and chair. Hammer and nail. Repeat after me. Hammer and nail. Socks and shoes. Repeat after me. Socks and shoes. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Needle and thread. Repeat after me, children. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Needle and thread. Day 2. We are going to learn something new. The literacy skill workbook. We are going to learn the topic on how many. Children, over here there will be a question asked. We need to count the number of objects in the picture. Then there will be an answer also given. But in that answer, we are going to write the number name. Shall we see the first one? How many balls are there? Shall we count them, children? 1, 2, 3. Now the answer is almost given there. There are 3 balls. So we are going to write the number name. T-H-R-E-E. 3. How many balls are there? There are 3 balls. Children, shall we see another 2 examples? The next question is, how many apples are there? Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. How many apples are there? There are S-I-X, 6 apples. Those apples look yummy and delicious. Next question. How many stars are there? Shall we count them, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many stars are there? There are 9 stars. N-I-N-E, 9. How many stars are there? There are 9 stars. Next question. How many flowers are there? Shall we count them, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers. S-I-X, 6. Next question. How many girls are there? Shall we count the girls? 1, 2. Hazel and Sheetal are busy talking there. There are 2 girls. T-W-O, 2. Next question. How many bats are there? Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bats. F-I-V-E, 5. There are 5 bats. Next question. Do you all like flying kites? How many kites are there, children? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 kites. THREE 3. There are 3 kites. Next question. How many cars are there? Shall we count the cars, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cars. FOUR. 4. There are 4 cars. Instructions. Dear parents, kindly guide your child to complete page 109 and 110 in the Literacy Skill Workbook. Day 3. Children, let us recall our long A sound words from the Phonic Reader. Name. N-A-M-E. Name. Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Day. D-A-Y. Day. Repeat after me, children. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. Repeat after me, children. Bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. That's one yummy looking cake out there. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Pail. P-A-I-L. Pail. Ape. A-P-E. Ape. Day 4. We're doing the Phonic Reader, page number 5757. We are doing the topic on long E sound. Long vowel sounds are vowel sounds pronounced the same as the name of the letter. Children, there is a long E sound as in Jeep and a short E sound as in egg. The long E sound can be represented in 2 vowel teams. They are EA and EE. Children, now repeat after me. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Eel. E-E-L. Eel. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Jeep. J-E-E-P. E P, Jeep. Leaf, L E A F, leaf. B, B E E, bee. Repeat after me. Feet, F E E T, feet. Ear, E A R, ear. P, P E A, P. T, T E A T, wheel. W H E E L, wheel. Day 5. Children, now open your phonic reader, page 5757. Now repeat after me. Eagle, ear, leaf, feet, eat, tea, jeep, eel, tree, bee, pea, wheel. Children, are you all ready for some fun activity? Do you all like to color? Okay. Page 5858. We are going to color the long E sound words green and the short E sound words red. Now, the first word is Jeep. So it's a long E sound word. So what color we have to color it? Green. Yes. Now the next word is web. It's a short E sound. So we are going to color the short E sound red. Instructions. Dear parents, kindly guide your child to complete page 58 in the Phonic Reader. Thank you and have a nice week ahead, children.